new exercise, but before that I have to explain. Addition of two fractions, subtraction of two fractions. You take LCM of denominator and make denominators equal. Write down. You have to take LCM of denominator and make denominator equal. Then product of two fractions, product of fractions. Product means multiplication. So what is that? A by B into C by D. How we multiply two rational numbers? We multiply numerator to numerator. A into C upon B into D. Yes. How we multiply two fractions? Multiply numerator to numerator, not cross multiplication, not cross. Multiply numerator to numerator, multiply denominator to denominator. So numerator to numerator, that is numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. This is same as multiplication of rational number. Then we have division of two fractions. Division of fractions. Then division of fractions. Your fraction is same as rational number, my dear. So whatever operation we do with the rational number, the same thing is there for fraction. A by B divided by C by D. Yes, what we do in the rational number? We take reciprocal of the second. So what is that? A by B multiplied by D by C. D by C. Yes. So we take reciprocal of the second. So your fractions are same as rational number. Fractions are same as rational number. For addition and subtraction of two fractions, we take LCM of denominator and make denominator equal. For multiplication of two fractions, we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Then division of two fractions, we take reciprocal of the second and that division we convert into multiplication. So instead of division we write multiplication, but then we have to take reciprocal of the second, not both. We take reciprocal of the second, not both. So based on this, we have exercise 3C. Based on this, we are going to solve exercise 3C. Based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. So 3C. 3C, one more problem I will do. One problem I will do because the same problem you have done in the rational number. First, reduce to a single fraction. Reduce to a single fraction. Reduce to a single fraction means simplify. Yes. Yes, tell me. 1 minute. Reduce to a single fraction. My volume is full, my dear. First, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Now this is plus sign, means you want to add. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Now whether denominators are equal, 2 and 3? No. So LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So now make denominator of each fraction 6. So multiply 2 by 3. So that will be 1 into 3 upon 2 into 3 plus multiply 3 by 2. 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. Now denominators are equal. Denominators are equal 6, 6. So we can add numerator 3 plus 2 by 6. That is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the answer and 5 by 6 is a single fraction. Okay. So in the same way you will do others, my dear. You will do others. Okay. Because whatever we have done in the rational number, the same thing we are doing with the fraction. In fact, in the beginning we have decided to give this self-study, but then we thought some problem we will do, some problem let's student do. Then second one, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Second one, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Homework, subtraction of two fractions, take LCM of the denominator. Third, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Homework. Then fourth one. This homework you will do after your examination assessment 1 gets over. Don't do the homework right now. 1 is to 1 by 3. Plus 2 is to 1 by 4. Yes, tell me, how will simplify this? This is a mixed fraction, no? 3 into 1, this is 4 by 3. And this is 9 by 4. Okay, then take LCM of denominator and simplify. Further part homework. Take LCM of the denominator and simplify. Further part will be homework. So whatever, yes. This homework you will do after your assessment 1 examination, my dear. Don't do it. Whichever subject exam you have, that you will prepare. Homework I expect after examination gets over. Then fifth one, 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 12. Yet you will take LCM of 4, 6, 12. Yes? LCM of 4, 6, 12. Yes, homework. Then sixth one, the same thing we have done in the rational number. My dear, the same thing we have done in the rational number. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 3. Plus 3 minus 1 by 5. Yes. What you will do? Yes, this is 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. Okay. Then this you will write 3 upon 1. Very good. Minus 1 by 5. Then you will take LCM of 3, 5, 1, 5. So homework. Okay. 6th, 7th. 7th is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. You will take LCM of 3, 5, 10. Okay, homework. Then 8th one. Whichever I am finding difficult, that I will solve. 2 is to 1 by 2. 2 is to 1 by 2 plus 2 is to 1 by 3. This homework should be done after assessment 1. Again I am telling you, nobody will do the homework right now. So that afterward no complaint should come that this exam was there, my child was doing maths homework. Homework should be done after assessment 1. How will simplify? Mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Then you will take LCM of 2, 3, 4, homework. You will take LCM of 2, 3, 4, homework. Okay. All of you are having the textbook. So that let us discuss, no problem. Let us write and discuss. 9th one, 2 is to 5 by 8. 2 is to 5 by 8 minus 2 is to 1 by 6 plus 4 is to 3 by 4. This is mixed fraction. You convert that into fraction. 8 2s are 16 plus 5, 21 by 8 minus 6 2s are 12, 13 by 6 plus 19 by 4. You will take LCM of 8, 6, 4. Homework. Now second is simplify. Second one is simplify. Simplify first. 3 by 4 into 6. 3 by 4. Mute the microphone. Into 6. You tell, yes, you will write this as 3 by 4 into 6 upon 1. Now this is multiplication. So how you multiply? Multiply numerator to numerator. 3 into 6 upon 4 into 1. Now you have to cancel the common factor. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now nothing is common. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2. Answer is 9 by 2. Answer is 9 by 2. Okay? Answer is 9 by 2. So your fractions are same as rational number. So whatever operation we have done in the rational number, the same things are there in the fraction. What is the difference between fraction and rational number? In fraction, numerator and denominator both are positive, whereas in rational number, numerator and denominator can be both positive or can be negative also in rational number. But the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, division remains same, whether it is fraction or whether it is rational number. Okay. Now second, 2 by 3 into 15. Second, 2 by 3 into 15. 15 you will write 15 upon 1, then homework. Then third one. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Homework. Then fourth one. 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Homework. Then fifth one. 45 into 2 is to 1 by 3. 2 is to 1 by. So this you will write 45 upon 1. Into 3 2s are 6. 7 by 3. Multiply numerator to numerator. 45 into 7 upon 1 into 3. Then 45 you can cancel. 3 15s are 45. So answer is 15 into 7. 15 into 7 upon 1. That is 105. Upon 1. Answer is 105. Answer is 105. 105 upon 1 will be 105. 105 upon 1 will be 105. Okay. 105 upon 1 will be 105. Next. So fractions are same as rational number, my dear. Fractions are same as rational number. What is the difference? In fraction both are positive, whereas in rational number numerator denominator can be negative, numerator denominator can be positive also. So operations of fractions are same as operation of rational number. And we have done each and every problem of rational number. So that is why the same type of operation I am giving homework. Then sixth one, 36 into 3 is to 1 by 4. Sixth one, 36 into 3 is 36 into 3 is to 1 by 4. 36 into 3 is to 1 by 4. Homework. Then seventh one, yes, do it. Seventh one, 2 divided by 1 by 3. 2 divided by 1 by 3. Now this is division, my dear. This is division. So what you will do? Tell me. You will write. You will write 2 as 2 upon 1. Then division we write multiplication. Then we take reciprocal of 1 by 3 upon 1. Now multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So what is that? 2 into 3 upon 1 into 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 upon 1. Answer is 6. So whenever denominator is 1, we take numerator as the given number. So whenever it is division, you convert division into multiplication. Whenever it is division, you convert division into multiplication and take reciprocal of the second. हाँ, mute the microphone. We take reciprocal of the second, my dear. We do not take reciprocal of both. We take only reciprocal of the second. First we keep as it is. First we keep as it is. We only take reciprocal of the second. Now next one is eighth one. 3 divided by 2 by 5. Eighth one. 3 divided by 2 by 5. So 3 will write 3 upon 1 multiplied by 5 by 2. Homework. Then ninth one. Ninth one. 1 divided by 3 by 5. 1 multiplied by 5 by 3. Okay? Homework. Then 10th one. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. Yes, what will write? Tell me. 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 1. So homework. Then 11 minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8. It is not minus 5 by 8. Okay, minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Divided by 3 by 4. Yes, what you will write? This you will write minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 3, no? Yes, then you can cancel 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then what is the answer? Answer is minus 5 into 1 upon 2 into 3. What is multiplication of minus and plus? Minus. So answer is minus 5 upon 6. Answer is minus 5 upon 6. Answer is minus 5 upon 6. Answer is minus 5 by 6. Yes. So fractions are same as rational numbers. So whatever operation we have done in the rational number, the same operations you will find in the fraction. So fractions are same as rational number. Okay. Then 3 is to 3 by 7. 12th one. 3 is to 3 by 7 divided by 1 is to 1 by 40. Yes, how will solve? Tell you. 3 is to 3 by 7 means 24 by 7. 24 by 7 divided by 15 by 40. Now 24 by 7, we write division as multiplication, then we take reciprocal of the second. 14 upon 15. Now this is multiplication, so multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Now you cancel the common term. Yes, 7 the 7, 7 2 the 40. Then 24 and 15. 5 3 the 15, 8 3 the. So what is left? 8 into 2, 8 into 2 upon 1 into 5. 8 2 the 16, 16 upon 5. But see here, my dear, your question is in the mixed fraction. So your answer should also be in the mixed fraction. So divide 16 by 5, that is 3 is to 1 by 5. Whenever question is in the mixed fraction, your answer should also be in the mixed fraction. Your answer should also be in the mixed fraction. Okay? When question is in the mixed fraction, your answer should also be there in the mixed fraction. Your answer should, yes, your answer should also be there in the mixed fraction because the question is given in the mixed fraction form. So your answer should also be in the mixed fraction. We are not doing anything new. The same thing we have done in the rational number. Now 13. 13, 3 is to 3 by 4. 3 is to 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 is to 1 by 5 multiplied by 20 upon 21. Let us see. What do you mean by 3 is to 3 by 4? 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 upon 5. Into 20 upon 21. So this is multiplication, multiplications. So not LCM, my dear. Who told LCM? We take LCM in case of addition and subtraction. There it is multiplication. So multiply numerator to numerator to numerator. So 15 into 6 into 20 upon 4 into 5 into 21. Let us cancel the common term of 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Then 4 4 get cancelled. Then 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Now nothing get cancelled. Okay. So what is left? 5 into 6 upon 1 into 7. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 upon 7. But question is given in the mixed fraction. So divide 30 by 7. 7 4s are 28. Then 2. So this is 4 is to 2 by 7. 4 is to 2 by 7. 4 is to 2 by 7 is the answer. 4 is to 2 by 7 is the answer. So whenever it is multiplication of two fractions, somebody gave the answer LCM. My dear, LCM we do only in case of addition and subtraction. Only in case of addition and subtraction we go for LCM method. Otherwise, in case of multiplication, yes, we follow LCM method in case of addition and subtraction of rational number and addition and subtraction of fractions. Now third one is subtract. Third one is subtract. Subtract means minus. Subtract 2 from 2 by 3. Subtract 2 from 2 by 3. So, wait. Whichever number is from, after from, that we write first. So, we write 2 upon 3. From 2 upon 3, which number we have to subtract 2? So, we write minus 2. All of you mute the microphone. So, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Whichever number is after from, that number we write first. 2 by 3, from 2 by 3 we have to subtract 2. So, minus 2. Now, 2 we write 2 upon 1. 2 we write 2 upon 1. Then, now this is subtraction. Now you can take LCM of 3 and 1. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 and 1 is 3. So make denominator, so 2 upon 3 minus 2 into 3 upon 1 into 3. Wait, how 4 by 3? You are wrong. So this is 2 by 3 minus 6 by 3. Now denominators are equal, so we can simplify numerator. Those who are telling 4 upon 3, their answer is absolutely wrong. Those who are telling... So now denominator minus 4 upon 3, my dear. Now denominators are equal, so we can simplify numerator. So that will be 2 minus 6 upon 3. Now what is sign of 2? Plus. What is sign of 6? Minus. Opposite sign. They have whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 upon 3. But which number is bigger? 6 minus 4 upon 3. So answer is not 4 upon 3. Answer is minus 4 by 3. Then second question, subtract 1 by 8 from 5 by 8. This will be homework. That will be 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8, 4 by 8, 4 by 8 will be 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Third one. Subtract minus 2 by 5 subtract minus 2 by 5 from, subtract minus 2 by 5 from 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 minus minus. Are you getting? See here, what that will be? 2 by 5 minus, minus which number? Minus 2 by 5. Yes, now whenever two signs are together you have to multiply. Minus into minus will be plus. So 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Now denominators are same, no? So we can simplify numerator, that is 2 plus 2 by 5. 2 plus 2 is 4 by 5. Answer is 4 by 5. Answer is 4 by 5. Answer is 4 upon 5. Answer is 4 upon 5. Answer is 4 by 5. So 2 by 5 minus minus plus 2 by 5, answer will be 4 by 5. Then fourth question, minus 3 by 7 from 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 from 3 by 7. Then homework, fourth one. Unmute the microphone. Fifth one, 0 from minus 4 by 5. Minus not 6 by 7. 0 from minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 minus 0 minus 4 by 5. Homework. Then sixth one, 2 by 9 from 4 by 5. Subtract 2 by 9 from 4 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 2 by 9. Then you take LCM of the denominator. The same thing we have done in the rational number. Minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 11. Let me do this if you want. Minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 11. So that will be minus 6 by 11. Subtract means minus which number? Minus 4 by 7. Okay. So that will become minus 6 by 11. Minus into minus plus 4 by 7. Now this is the problem of addition. So what you will do? Yes, which method? Yes, tell me. LCM method. Because this is the problem. LCM. This is the problem of addition, no? Addition and subtraction, to make denominators equal, we take LCM of the denominators. We take LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 11 and 7. LCM of 11 and 7 is 77. So now make denominator of each one 77. Minus 6 into 7 upon 11 into 7 plus 4 into 11 upon 7 into 11. So minus into plus minus 42 upon 77 plus 44 upon 77. Now denominators are same, 77. So minus 42 plus 44 upon 77. Now minus 42 and plus 44, they have opposite sign. Minus and plus opposite sign. So subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. 44 minus 42 is 2. Which number is bigger? 44. What is sign of that? Plus. So 2 upon 77. The answer is 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 2 upon 77. Okay. Now next is fourth one. Find the value of. Find the value of. So find the value of. So remember, in mathematics, of means, what do you mean by of? Of means multiplication. In mathematics, of means multiplication. Okay. So first question it is 1 by 2 of 10 kg. 1 by 2 of 10 kg. So what you will write? 1 by 2 What do you mean by off? Off means multiplication 10 kg. 10 kg. 10 kg you will write 10 upon 1, no? Yes. So this is multiplication of two fractions. So 1 into 10 upon 2 into 1 kg. Then you can cancel 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So 1 into 5 is 5. 5 upon 1 kg. 5 upon 1 kg is same as 5 kg. So answer is 5 kg. Off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. Yes. Off means multiplication. Mute the microphone. Off means multiplication, my dear. Yes. So in mathematics, off means multiplication, sum means addition, difference means subtraction, product means multiplication, and quotient means division. Quotient means division. Then 3 by 5 of 1 hour. Second. 3 by 5 of 1 hour. 3 by 5 of 1 hour. Yes. 3 by... No, my dear. See. 1 hour means 60 minutes, no? When you will take 3/5 of 1 hour, it will not be in hour, it will be in minutes. It will be in minutes, my dear. Because you are taking the fraction of 1 hour, no? So fraction of 1 hour will not be in hour, it will be in minutes. So we write, we write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this we write 3 by 5. 3 by 5 off means multiplication. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes we write 60 upon 1. Then cross multiply 3 into 60. 5 into 1 minutes. You can cancel 60. 5 12 are 60. Very good. 12 into 3, 36 upon 1, 36 minutes. Answer is 36 minutes. Okay. So when you will take fraction of hour, it will not be in hour, it will be in minutes. Then third question, 4 by 7 of 2 is to 1 by 3 kg. First you will convert 2 is to 1 by 3 kg. That will be 7 by 3 kg. So homework third one. Now fourth is 3 is to 1 by 2 times 3 is to 1 by 2 times 3 is to 1 by 2 times of 2 meter. Of 2 meter. Yes. Of 2 meter. So 3 is to 1 by 2 means 7 by 2, no? 7 by 2 of 2 meter. 2 get cancelled, that is 7 meter. Answer is 7 meter. Seven by 2 of 2 meter. Okay? So 3 is to 1 by 2. 3 is to 1 by 2. So homework this part. Detailed solution. Then 1 by 2 of 2 is to 1 by 3. 1 by 2 of 2 is to 2 by 3. Homework. Then sixth one, 5 by 11 of 4 by 5 of 22 kg. Of 2 times. So wherever you have of, you multiply. So what that will be? 5 by 11. Of means multiplication 4 by 5. Again of means multiplication 22. 22 you will write 21 upon 1. Then this is multiplication. So multiply numerator to numerator. 5 into 4 into 22. upon 11 into 5 into 1 kg. Let us cancel the term of numerator and denominator. 11 2s are 22. 5 get cancelled. Answer is 4. Answer is 4 into 2 upon 1 kg. That is 8 upon 1 kg. That is same as 8 kg. So final answer is 8 kg. Final answer is 8 kg. Okay. Yes. Yes, all the paper I have checked. All the paper I have checked, my dear. When the school will tell us to make the marks visible, that time we'll make the marks visible. Okay. Yes. So now it is 12:10. We stop here. Bye, everybody. See you in the next period. Do not do the homework right now. You have to do the homework after assessment 1. After assessment 1 examination. Yes. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.